Welcome to Chili Technology. In this instructional video, we will show you how to set up your ChiliPad cube. When you receive your package in the mail, you will receive your pad and you'll receive your cube. Inside the box of the cube, there is an owner's manual, very important for reference. There is a connection instruction sheet, remote control, connector, power cord, and finally, your cube unit. Now, we already have a unit set up over here, and we're going to show you how to hook this up. First and foremost, it's very important, safety first, do not plug anything in immediately. You want to make sure that your cube has 24 inches of open airflow all around it. You can most certainly put your cube flat on the floor, but it's also okay to put it on a nightstand or a stand by your bed. The cube should never be placed underneath the bed or in a constricted area. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is set up our connector to our pad. This is the tubing that comes from your pad. Now in this situation, we have our pad tubing coming from the top of the bed. If it's more functional in your home, you can flip the pad around and have the tube come from the bottom. All right, the first thing we're going to do is hook up our connector. Push together, you'll hear a click, and you'll know that that's secure. The next thing we're going to do is put the connector into the cube unit itself. You push it in, and you'll hear a click, and then you'll know it's secure. The next thing we're going to do is use the power cord. Plug the power cord into the back of the cube, and then go ahead and plug it into your power supply. The next step is using distilled water and distilled water only. You're going to go ahead and fill up your water reservoir until the water comes to the bottom of where the cap screws in. Now, the next thing you're going to do is go ahead and turn your power on. Okay. What's going to happen the first time you turn your power on is you're probably going to get a low water signal. What just happened? All the water that you poured in got pulled into the pad. Simply add more water. And I can still hear it, a little bit's being pulled into the pad. There. And just give it just a minute to make sure that that water level stays level to the bottom of where the cap gets screwed in. And it looks like it still needs a little more. Those pads are very thirsty. There. And then when you have that water level consistent, put your cap back in and set to your desired temperature. To change the water temperature in your cube, you use this very user-friendly display panel. Currently, the cube is set at 71 degrees. To set it a warmer temperature, you press on the top red button that has a little flame on it and bring it to your desired temperature. If your desired temperature is accepted, it will blink 3 times on the display panel. It will go back to the original temperature as it starts to work towards achieving your set temperature. If you would like a cooler temperature, you push the bottom blue lined button that has the snowflake. I'm going to bring it down to 69 degrees. It blinked 3 times, which means the reading was accepted. And now the water is going to start to cool to my 69 degrees. Well, I hope this instructional video was helpful today. Please visit us on our website at www.chilitechnology.com. The website URL is also in your owner's manual. On our website, if you go to the FAQ tab, there's lots of interesting videos and facts and instructional techniques that you can also use. Thank you and have a great day.